Thanks. Okay, guys, let's give a couple updates about what we are doing now and where we are. As you can see, the wealth price has gone up again. We are almost at 0.0015, which means that we're almost tackling it 6 more times before we are worth a cent. So let's give a little bit updates what we have worked on and also the growth. We are almost with 2,000 people in abundance. So thank you all for your hard work. And of course, we have made some easy videos how to explain it. We're going to be updating the site again because my developer loves to be updating continuously. And let's start with the presentation. Why I feel that the need for abundance is increasing daily. We've all been, taken advantage of enough times. There are so many projects. They are promising us the life of our dreams. They are promising us money. They are promising us income. And it's always just ending in a nightmare. They rug pull, they change the rules, nobody's earning anymore, or they just run away with the money, or they just close down the website. With abundance, I've made sure that there's a project that is here to stay, lasting a lifetime, where we can build our foundation upon. It started with abundance, DeFi as the dream and the vision, and I have now worked on deploying and already finished multiple projects. And in the moment, I'm working on deploying my own chain. That is going to be the wealthy chain, WLT20. It's going to be having a cross-chain bridge, arbitrage, flash loan, bots, also cross-chain. It's going to be having validators, nodes, and relayers, and gas-free transactions. As many of you know that when you are working with a project and you're going to be making a transaction like a claim, or you're going to be sending some money to somebody, you're always going to be getting that pop-up saying that you will need to pay. So, for example, let's say that I would want to send, I'm a little bit broke. So let's say that I want to send 50 cents to a person. It will cost me 3 cents. I will need to have the native token in my wallet to be able to send. With our WLT20 chain, we are making sure that everybody can receive and send money without owning the native gas token. It is something revolutionary. It will have free transactions. And how do you think how can it be free? It is very simple. I am creating the WLT20 chain. It means that I am creating the wealthy token. All transactions that are going to be made is going to be sent to a relayer. It's going to be saying to you, no worries, we got you. And all transactions is going to be paid. So it's going to be free because abundance is paying it. It means that it's going to be a chain with validators and nodes that will not get the standard returns of getting some tokens, getting the standard returns of transaction, having to validate the transaction and become a miner like that. But I think my lap is hanging. Okay, I'm back. 1 second, guys. I think I'm gonna be clicking some things away because I'm a little bit slow. Okay. 1 second, guys. I'm closing some things. So the difference that it's going to have is that normally you have to pay for a transaction. Miners are going to be getting part of the transaction money, and it's going to be approved. With abundance, because we are making sure that everything is going to be relayed, there's not going to be any gas cost, and the ones that are going to be our nodes and validators, they will get profit share from the whole project. I finished our bridge. I finished the arbitrage. I finished the flash loan for multiple chains. And also, I finished the relays and the nodes. I also finished faucet. And the faucet, it's also a nice thing because I can say, guys, there's free money, free transactions. I made the faucet. You can claim like 1,000 test coins. You can send it to whoever and whatever you want. And you can see that without owning the native token, you can make transactions. In a way, we create a global free banking system. So it's like a big middle finger to everybody that is asking money for transactions, asking money to just use a bank account. Like my ABN AMRO, he's asking me 45 euros a year to just own the bank account. So we make sure that everything that is able to help the people, we are going to be using it. For me, I can say that the difference between Abundance and other projects, we have removed all coding that can hurt you or your people. There is no way to close your account. There is no way to remove your people. No way to make that you will not get paid anymore. Everything is honest, lasting, and transparent. The project is focused on helping others to succeed. It is not just go, 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 go. Work together. Teamwork makes the dream work. And it's a lot more fun if you are doing it together. You are helping us to share our visions. You are ensured into access in many projects that we are building. Everything that I am building, Abundance DeFi is the key that opens all doors. No member of Abundance DeFi means that you will not be able to do the cross-chain arbitrage, cross-chain flash loan. You can use the bridge because everybody's going to get paid for it. But it means that we're going to be launching strongholders. We're going to be launching multiple yield farms and ways that's going to be sending money back to the Abundance DeFi members and also wealth holders, which means that you're going to be needing to be a member to have access to a lot of extra income. Okay, guys, there is no line in the contracts that can make us disappear or stop. We are built on the Binance Smart Chain, and we will exist as long as the Binance Smart Chain exists. That is our only, weakness. But I am working on making Abundance DeFi multi-chain, where it doesn't matter on which chain you're going to be logging in. You're just going to be seeing, okay, this is the amount that I have. This is the amount that I've invested in Abundance DeFi, and you can join it from Polygon, from from every chain you want, you can join it. So people can make their own decisions. Tough times have passed. We have been through a lot of shit. We had BUSD delisting. We had Haze crypto developers steal 40,000 of us. We had a lot of troubles with many people, but we stayed strong. We are still here, and we are making sure that we are evolving on a daily basis. So where first I was dependent of other people, now I ensure that I can build myself. Nobody is better than anybody else. It doesn't matter if you're coming in with $2.50 or you're coming in with $2,500. Everybody is treated the same way. The only difference is that there is some missed USDT and no missed USDT if you're a maximum package. But always, like we say, work together as a team and make sure that you do not need to miss. We do not have any FOMO. We do not have left, right bullshit. It is earning directly to your wallet, and it is here to stay. We pay out in USDT and in WHALE token. The reason for that is very simple. Many projects pay you out in their coin, and their coin is going to zero, and everybody is losing the money. With Abundance, you are getting paid out to your own wallet in USDT and in WHALE tokens, which means that you can decide what you do with that USDT. The token cannot be bought by anybody else, which means that our biggest holder has not even a quarter of a percent. There is no team tokens, there is no manipulation, and we grow organically. The token can only be bought by Abundance DeFi. Like I said, you decide what you do with your earnings. We have no tax. How does it work? Well, 20% of all income in Abundance DeFi is set to the side. This is being saved. As soon as there's $250 turnover, it means that it's going to be buying the WHALE token. You can see it here. Let's click this one. Okay, well, my laptop is not really approving it today, guys. So I wish I didn't click that one. So let's just continue. I really need to close some pages. So how does it work? Let's say that there's somebody coming in with $250. It means that 20%, which equals $50, is being put to the side. This is directly buying the WHALE token, and it means that the price of the WHALE token will rise of that. That is the only way that you can, that the WHALE token can be bought. Let's say that you have a package of $100. You're buying a package of $100. It means that you're going to be getting one wealth per every cent invested. That is one of the two ways to get WHALE tokens. The second way is by making direct signups. Let's say you have a $100 account. You are making a $100 sign up. You will be getting 39 USDT instantly in your own wallet, while also having 500 WHALE tokens also in your wallet. Let's say the well tokens are worth 3 cents a piece. It would mean that you will be getting another $15 value in USDT if you sell it, of course. 2 accounts per household is allowed, which means that you could earn 51% on a $100 sign up. Okay, guys, there is a way to get some missed USDT. So let's make an example. You have a $100 package. You are signing up a $1,000 package. You will be getting 39% up to the package that you have unlocked yourself, which would equal 39 USDT. The other funds, which if you would have gotten a $1,000 package, you would have gotten a 390 USDT commission. It is going to the missed USDT. This is used for many other things, which we also always share with people. And it's mostly used to help the project grow. When the commission is not yet 10 levels deep, or the person has not unlocked all packages, like I said, it's able to be getting some missed USDT. The funds are used for growth and development, where we continuously show what we do and how we are doing it, and also inform our community of the steps that we take. We believe that the funds from the missed USDT should not be used for living la vida loca or the Ferrari of the founder, and it's going to be used for helping the community. In short, it goes like this. You earn commission according to your package and the package you have gotten in the team. This always equals 39% USDT and wealth accordingly. The project is working and paid off. No shit excuses like maintenance or we need this or we need that. We use the funds to ensure that we can continue adding more and more to our ecosystem, which we're also building, project after project, of course, where all our wallets are known, and we are creating a safe haven for all to earn and learn. Just a small view about this. I can show that I've learned how to make the migration happen, how to build. Let's go here. I've learned how to migrate to my own network. The only thing that I'm stuck on in the moment is wait 1 second. Node. Oh wait, this might not be node abundance.partners. This is like the RPC, but it's not really loading. So the thing that I'm stuck on is how to make the network be accessible for outside. This is now, of course, because we deploy it on the Polygon chain, it's always automatically asking for Ethereum. But as we, of course, we're launching the Wealthy token here. But when we launch it to our own chain, it's going to be pulling fully from the Wealthy token. So we are working on that. What we are building in the background, I can talk a little bit about that also. I finished the bridge, I finished the arbitrage, I finished the relayers and the nodes. So most is finished. I finished the Wealthy that it can compile without issues and be deployed. The only thing that I'm stuck on in the moment is how to run the VPS, how to run the RPC that is being able to be found outside. I've found a way to be hosting some nodes, and I do not want to host the node on my laptop and from there grow. I want to make sure that the node is being set online. I'm trying to connect it with Abundance Partners, that it stays online through the DNS of Namecheap and that it cannot go offline and we can move from there. The thing that gave a little bit of delay is I had finished the nodes and validators, but when I was doing an audit on it, it showed me that it was looking very nice. It was functional as a smart contract, but it was not strengthening the network. So it was like, fake security, fake. It was just fake. So it was just like showing it was nodes, showing it was validators, but it was not a node or a validator. I was just copying from other projects and thinking I'm going to be building it like this. And I noticed that it was just not doing anything. So I had to put in a little bit of extra work to ensure that it is working as probably. I am going to be checking for if there are any questions. Feel free to ask them. I will answer them in the chat. And I will also select 2 prize winners of the Zoom. You know, Voltage, I have like a 5G modem. I have like a lot of things with signal boxes, but I don't really know how to do it. I did manage to do the port forwarding, but I buy that, I got that asset security from you, and that's like blocking the port forwarding. So let me search for 2 prize winners. I think for today, it's going to be the Astra Kemble. You have won an activation. Let me send a message in the chat. Astra Kemble. This is my number. You can send me a message. You have won an activation of 25 USDT in abundance. And I think that we will also do Buzina Nazar. You have also gotten my number. So guys, I think for the I done it on my router. I've set it up on my router, but I've also set it up on my laptop, but it's holding me back or something. But I will go in the private with you, my man. We will figure it out. So guys, for the time span until we get our chain online, I think it's going to be this week, because for today I'm going to be fighting a little bit more with Empro, who stole my money. And then I'm going to be making some videos about the partnerships. And then I'm going to be, tomorrow or tonight, I'm going to be continuing with the network and putting it online. Everything is deploying, everything is set up correctly. So I don't expect it to be taking multiple, many weeks or something. I expect it just going to be a little thing, and that's going to be put online. WebSpender is also finished with the UI. So there's a lot of, with the main pages of the UI, not with everything. So there's a lot of great things coming. You can send me a message, and for those that have won a prize, you will be getting an activation in Abundance DeFi. I will need to have your wallet address and that of your upline, because there is, of course, somebody that has invited you to this Zoom, and you're going to be placed under that person. You will not get any well tokens because of no USDT deposit, but your account will fully count as a deposited account. I wish everybody a wonderful evening. I'm going to be uploading this video to the Zoom. And let's keep winning, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you also. Bye-bye.